In a groundbreaking achievement, the all-electric Tesla Model Y has emerged as the world's top-selling car, an incredible feat accomplished within a mere 3 years since its launch. This remarkable success has been repeatedly attributed by CEO Elon Musk to Tesla's manufacturing superiority. Notably, at Giga Shanghai, Tesla has streamlined their production process to assemble a Model Y from start to finish in just 2.5 hours, an impressive 14 times faster than the industry's average of 35 hours per vehicle. The company's manufacturing edge has been nothing short of astonishing. With such efficiency, Tesla envisions raising the output at Giga Shanghai to an impressive 20,000 electric vehicles per week. This production rate would translate into around 8,000 Model 3 and Model Y vehicles per month, or an astounding 1 million units annually, catering to both domestic and global markets. The potential for such massive production highlights Tesla's determination to lead the electric vehicle revolution and solidify its position as an automotive industry leader. It has been demonstrated that the forthcoming 2024 iteration of the Tesla Model Y will witness substantial improvements both in quantity and quality compared to its 2023 predecessor. The question arises, how will the 2024 model differ from the 2023 version, and what makes it poised to outperform its predecessors, setting new records? Join us in today's episode of Tesla Car World as we delve into a thorough comparison of these two variants, exploring the enhancements and innovations that the 2024 model brings to the table. By doing so, we aim to determine whether the newer update will ultimately take the lead. As we continue with our channel dedicated to all things Tesla, we sincerely appreciate your support through subscribing and hitting the bell icon to stay informed about the exciting developments in Tesla's lineup. Now, let's begin our exploration. The Model Y is Tesla's compact crossover SUV, and we are eager to uncover the evolutionary strides it has taken to mark a new era in Tesla's offerings. Being one of the pioneering fully electric crossovers to enter the market, the Tesla Model Y has set the standard by which all other contenders in this segment are measured. With its ample space and relatively comfortable design, along with impressive range and power, it comes equipped with a plethora of beloved technological features cherished by most Tesla owners. While the Model Y stands as the current benchmark in its class, traditional automakers are rapidly catching up with their own electric offerings. It is perhaps due to this competition that Tesla is likely planning to update the Model Y for the 2024 model year. Speculation surrounding Project Juniper suggests that substantial updates are in the works, encompassing refreshed styling both inside and out, as well as introducing a range of new and modified features. How much does it cost to upgrade a Tesla Model Y for the 2024 version? The good news is that the prices for all three versions of the 2024 Model Y are lower compared to the previous ones set in 2023. This price reduction means that senior Americans, who are interested in electric vehicles, can now enjoy the benefits of the latest Model Y at a more affordable price. The decreased cost not only makes owning an electric vehicle more accessible, but also attracts those seeking sustainable transportation options. Furthermore, in 2024, Tesla introduced a dual-motor odd option, which enhances performance and traction, all at a compelling price of $49,990. This attractive offering further contributes to making electric vehicles an appealing choice for a wider range of consumers. This impressive pricing update means that the latest 2024 Tesla Model Y is significantly more affordable than its equivalent model from the previous year. The 2024 long-range version is now priced at $52,990, representing a remarkable 1.4 times reduction in cost compared to the previous year's price, which was $74,490 when fully equipped. Furthermore, Tesla has introduced a new performance version of the Model Y in the 2024 update, priced at $56,990. This marks a notable 1.28 times reduction in cost compared to the previous year's fully customized 2023 Model Y performance, which amounted to $73,490. With these pricing adjustments, Tesla has made its latest Model Y offerings even more accessible and appealing to a broader range of potential buyers, making electric vehicles a more attractive and competitive choice in the automotive market. This exciting development is certain to captivate the attention of automobile enthusiasts who enjoy staying informed through engaging experiences. If you've been eagerly waiting for the 2024 release of the Tesla Model Y, hoping to qualify for the new federal tax credit, it might be time to take action now. In early 2023, the U.S. Treasury announced the list of electric vehicles eligible for a $7,500 tax credit, and the Model Y was undoubtedly one of the significant electric vehicles to gain full access to this incentive. With a new price limit of $80,000, this exciting development should significantly increase accessibility to the tax credit, making it even more enticing for potential customers interested in purchasing the Model Y. The eligibility criteria for individuals in the U.S. looking to purchase a Model Y include single filers with an income of $150,000 or lower and dual filers with an income of $300,000 or lower. By considering these parameters and doing some simple calculations, potential buyers can decide whether to wait for the 2024 model with its latest improvements and more affordable price or opt for the current 2023 version at its existing price. Feel free to leave us a comment and let us know your decision. Regarding the differences between the 2024 and 2023 variants of the Model Y, there are exciting updates in store. The 2024 Tesla Model Y electric SUV is scheduled to receive a fresh look and an upgraded interior. The new model boasts refinements that are certain to captivate your imagination. One of its most striking features is the sculpted front fascia, giving the car a sportier and more aggressive appearance. The front proudly protrudes, adding a touch of elegance to the overall design. Drawing inspiration from its popular sibling, the Model 3, the 2024 Model Y incorporates slimmer LED headlights, evoking a sense of familiarity and sophistication. These headlights not only improve road visibility but also infuse a modern touch into the vehicle's front profile. In pursuit of a cleaner aesthetic, Tesla has chosen a simplified front bumper design, featuring an elongated central intake. This design choice contributes to the vehicle's sleek and polished look, further enhancing its appeal to discerning drivers. This redefined approach marks the elimination of side inlets in the daytime running lights, resulting in a sleek and streamlined experience. Tesla has shed the duck face from the 2024 Model Y, opting for a more mature and sophisticated look. The updated design showcases revised fenders that seamlessly harmonize with the vehicle's overall appearance, accentuating its muscular stance and commanding presence on the road. Tesla's attention to detail is evident in every curve and contour, aiming to create a vehicle that delivers exceptional performance while standing out in a crowd. Share your thoughts on this exterior innovation by leaving a comment below. Shifting to the interior, the remarkable Tesla Model Y 2024 brings a range of exciting updates that are sure to captivate your imagination. A notable change is the departure from the forward trim on the dashboard, leading to a cleaner and more streamlined interior. This design choice not only enhances the overall aesthetic appeal but also contributes to a greater sense of spaciousness within the cabin, providing a more comfortable and inviting environment. These updates aim to elevate the sportiness of the Model Y while maintaining its signature elegance and innovation. The seamless integration of Alcantara with carefully selected accents creates a visually pleasing and cohesive design, sure to leave a lasting impression on those with discerning taste. For the 2024 Model Y, Tesla presents a captivating black and white dual-tone cabin theme. This tasteful combination adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, further enhancing the overall appeal of the interior. The thoughtfully designed cabin exudes a sense of luxury, making the driving experience in the Model Y even more enjoyable and remarkable. The Model Y 2024 creates a harmonious and luxurious environment with its contrasting black and white elements, which add to the visual appeal of the cabin. In contrast, the color choices in the 2023 variant offer a timeless and classic feel. When it comes to versatility, the Model Y 2024 offers a flexible 7-seat layout, ensuring spaciousness and comfort for your family and loved ones during journeys. Whether it's a family road trip or accommodating additional passengers, this seating arrangement ensures everyone can enjoy the pleasures of traveling in a Tesla. One distinctive feature that sets the Model Y 2024 apart is the option to choose the brand's famous yoke-style steering mechanism. This innovative design not only adds a touch of futuristic flair but also provides a comfortable grip and enhanced maneuverability, striking a perfect fusion of form and function, allowing you to have full control of your driving experience. Another exciting update is the inclusion of a new touchscreen infotainment display that swivels, offering the flexibility to choose between landscape or portrait orientation. This intuitive feature allows you to customize your viewing experience, ensuring easy access to information, entertainment, and vehicle controls, catering to your personal preference. The Model Y 2024 showcases remarkable performance improvements over its predecessor, making it the strongest iteration to date. We delve into the impressive advancements in the Tesla Model Y that elevate its overall performance. As for the battery, specific details regarding changes in the 2024 Model Y's battery are not mentioned in the previous context. The provided information focuses on the advancements in design, features, and overall performance of the Model Y 2024. In the 2023 Model Y, Tesla primarily utilized older 2170 cells, which greatly contributed to the company's success during that year. However, in the 2024 variants, Tesla has introduced a significant change by incorporating the Tesla-designed 4680 cell into its production plans for this model. The 4680 cell is 5.5 times larger than the 2170 cell it replaces and is engineered to store 5 times more energy while delivering a 16% increase in driving range. This innovative battery design contributes to the overall efficiency and performance of the vehicle, making it a remarkable advancement in electric vehicle technology. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated on the latest developments in the electric vehicle revolution, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll be part of a community that shares a passion for clean and sustainable transportation. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey towards a greener future with electric vehicles. Together, we can drive positive change and make a difference in the world. Thanks again for your support, and I look forward to bringing you more exciting content on electric vehicles and the ongoing EV revolution.